Energy-efficient windows Covington are the perfect solution for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Our window installation Covington services ensure that your new energy-efficient windows Covington are fitted perfectly, maximizing their energy-saving potential. With a variety of window styles Covington available, you can choose the perfect design to complement your home's aesthetic while enhancing its energy efficiency. Window replacement Covington is essential for maintaining the integrity and performance of your home's windows. Our residential window services Covington include comprehensive window assessment Covington to determine the best energy-efficient windows Covington for your needs. Whether you need double-glazed windows Covington or insulated glass units Covington, we have the expertise to deliver top-quality results. Vinyl windows Covington offer a durable and low-maintenance option for homeowners seeking window upgrades Covington. These energy-efficient windows Covington are designed to withstand the elements while providing excellent thermal performance Covington. Our window customization Covington services allow you to select the perfect window technology Covington to meet your specific requirements. Window installation Covington is crucial for maintaining the efficiency and durability of your energy-efficient windows Covington. Our window maintenance Covington services include window sealing Covington and window insulation Covington to ensure your windows remain in top condition. With our window retrofitting Covington services, you can enhance the performance of your existing windows without the need for a full replacement. Low-E glass Covington is an excellent choice for those seeking energy-saving and energy-efficient windows Covington. This advanced window technology Covington reduces heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Our window consultation Covington services provide expert guidance on selecting the best window efficiency Covington options for your home. Thermal windows Covington are designed to provide superior insulation and energy efficiency. Our window performance Covington services ensure that your energy-efficient windows Covington are installed to the highest standards, maximizing their energy-saving potential. With our window solutions Covington, you can enjoy a more comfortable and energy-efficient home. Window durability Covington is a key consideration for homeowners looking to invest in new windows. Our window assessment Covington services help identify the best energy-efficient windows Covington materials and designs to ensure long-lasting performance. With our comprehensive range of window services, you can trust us to deliver exceptional results for your home. Energy-efficient windows Covington are a top choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed with advanced window technology to enhance window performance and window efficiency. By choosing energy-saving windows Covington and energy-efficient windows Covington, you can enjoy lower utility bills and a more sustainable home environment. Window replacement Covington is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Our residential window services Covington offer a wide range of energy-efficient windows Covington styles and window customization options to suit your needs. Whether you need vinyl windows Covington or double-glazed windows Covington, our expert team is here to help. Double-glazed windows Covington provide superior insulation and noise reduction, making them a popular choice for homeowners. These insulated glass units Covington are designed to enhance window durability and window insulation, ensuring long-lasting performance. With our window installation Covington services, you can enjoy the benefits of double-glazed and energy-efficient windows Covington in no time. Window installation Covington is crucial for addressing any issues with your existing windows. Our team specializes in window sealing Covington and window maintenance Covington to ensure your energy-efficient windows Covington remain in top condition. Regular window assessment Covington can help identify potential problems early, allowing for timely window solutions Covington. Energy-saving windows Covington are an excellent investment for any homeowner. These thermal and energy-efficient windows Covington are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home comfortable year-round. With low-E glass Covington, you can further enhance the energy efficiency of your windows, reducing your carbon footprint and saving on energy costs. Window upgrades Covington can significantly improve the overall performance of your windows. Our window retrofitting Covington services are designed to enhance energy-efficient windows' Covington performance and durability, ensuring your windows stand the test of time. With our expert window consultation Covington, you can explore the best options for your home. Vinyl windows Covington are a popular choice for their affordability and low maintenance requirements. These energy-efficient windows Covington offer excellent window performance and are available in a variety of window styles Covington to match your home's aesthetic. Our window installation Covington team can help you select the perfect vinyl windows for your needs. Window insulation Covington is key to maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Our insulated glass units Covington provide superior thermal performance, reducing heat loss and improving energy efficiency. With our energy-efficient windows Covington and Window Solutions Covington, you can enjoy a more comfortable and energy-efficient home. Window technology Covington has advanced significantly, offering homeowners a range of options to improve window performance. From low-E glass Covington to advanced window sealing Covington techniques, our team is equipped to handle all your energy-efficient windows Covington needs. Trust our residential window services Covington for expert advice and installation. Window customization Covington allows you to create the perfect look for your home. With a variety of window styles Covington and materials to choose from, you can achieve the ideal balance of aesthetics and functionality. Our window consultation Covington services can help you explore the best energy-efficient windows Covington options for your home.